Tribe Squad? It's your girl Chandali. Welcome back to my channel, Shandism 101. I make bomb-ass wig reviews for girls who like hair. And if you're a beginner and you're wanting to learn how to wear a wig, I'm about to show you a little something that I know. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and let's get into it. So let me just get straight to the video. I'm going to show you guys the Evangeline wig again because the first time I wore her, and I think a lot of you guys have seen that video, she did not look like this. She did not look like this. She looked a lot like this, and I was really frustrated because I was not prepared for how much work this wig was going to take, nor was I about to do all that. But I got time today. But let me just say, before we get into it, I'm mad that I have to do this. I don't think that's right. This wig is $52.99. Honey. Okay, let's get to it. All right, girls, so here I am plucking this wig. I didn't pluck any hair because, you know, the card says it's a pre-plucked hairline. Ignore my mannequin head, Stacy. She's a foam head, y'all, so she's been through it. She's a day one. Shout out to Stacy. But here I am going through, and I'm literally having to pluck each individual hair out of the hairline. But if you do this, this is going to make the wig look more natural. Unfortunately, this is what you have to do for the wig to do what it claims that it should already do. I'm just saying. Listen, I'm really excusing Stacy. Like, listen, y'all got a Stacy somewhere. Don't be coming for me. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. It's a good time. I like to go and drop premieres every Thursday and Sunday at 6. Check your local listings. But yeah. Anyways, I'm going to let you guys kind of watch me do this here because I'm really showing you all of the things I did not do the first time I wore this wig. I kept trying to think about like titles and stuff. I was like, Evangeline, the way I had to do her, like, I don't know. It's just, it was a mess. I didn't put powder on the lace. All this 13x7 lace. It's just like, it's such light lace. And I mean, I should have put powder. I should have put a tint. I mean, it was just a lot. It's just a lot. I'm like beating the powder out. Girl, it's just lighter lace. I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys what it ends up looking like. So we're going to go vibe for a second. I hope you guys like this video. If you are watching live, make sure you are hitting the thumbs up. But also, more importantly, make sure you guys are commenting in the chat. I want to know that you're here and that you're watching. So yeah, let's go vibe for a second and I'll be back. Girl, now I know I'm tired from watching that. Listen, I'm tired having to do it. It was such a process doing this, but I did not do this the first time. And also, I think that sometimes, you know, you may not think that your girl can lay a wig, but I can. It's just frustrating sometimes to me that you have to do that. Anyways, I'm done with the rant. Okay, moving on. I'm gonna use this Aussie freeze spray, you know, this little mousse here, to lay the wig flat. I need her to know she ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna kind of slick that back a little bit so it just looks like, you know, cute and sleek. I'm trying to give it like a pressed look. And so yeah, I'm gonna use some of that. Now, I didn't use any special edge control. It's just like some Palmer's edge. Oh girl. So you guys know I go live on Tuesdays. And I just got my silky sack head scarf in the mail. But girl, before it arrived, I was trying to make this pillowcase work. Honey, look at the ultimate struggle. Get you a silky sack head wrap, girl, and lay them edges. They're like $7. I'll post her link down below. Because look at me, I had to call in reinforcements. All I'm trying to do is lay the wig the way that it claimed that it was gonna look. Anyways, yeah, so here I am trying to do that, and I'm really excited that I got my new wraps because I'm gonna be using those going forward. But yeah, I had to do all this the night before. There's no way I could have did all of this work in one day, so I'm gonna go to sleep and then I'll be back for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see what you guys think. Alright, it's morning and I'm refreshed, bright-eyed, bushy-tailed. Okay, got my lashes on from Sprinkles of Danny. Make sure you guys check her out. This is in the sunset. Listen, I'm not trying to plug anything, y'all. I'm just supporting my friends. Anyways, back to the wig. Here's the finished product. I'm looking at it like, wow. Still could have used more powder. And I probably could have went in with the plucking a little bit more, but look at that before. Look at that. Major improvement. It's just like I said, we're not gonna keep like dwelling on it, but girl, you gonna have to put some time in if you want her to look like this. But she can live up to the hype if you're willing to do all of this work. But it was worth it. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you too at the same time, you know, I know that you do have to do work to wigs sometimes. It's just frustrating when you have to do all of that and some. I'm using my install method. Listen, the edges here on these wigs, I don't really know. So it's kind of my edges and some of the wig's edges. I'm not really too sure, but I made it work. You know, make it work, Shan. Don't she come through every time? She comes through every time. She's trying to make it work right now. I don't know, y'all. I think it looks okay, though. I'm really proud of this look. I think that I did a really good job of working with it, especially since that's how the wig looked the first time. Don't get me wrong. The first time when I wore it straight out of the pack, I still made her work because, listen, you got to do what you got to do. No wasted coins over here. I think this meltdown's going really good. Matter of fact, if you're curious of how I do that, I have a video. I'll link it down below for you guys. But let me know what you guys think. Overall, I'm really happy with the way that it ends up styling. I'm going to give you guys an update on the Evangeline wig here momentarily because right now I'm all done up and that looks glamorous, but that is not what I normally look like. So I'm going to give you an honest update coming up here shortly on what I thought of the Evangeline wig. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys like these kind of talk through real straight up videos, let me know in the comments and I can make more of these, and also let me know by sharing it with a friend because that's the best way to show that you love your girl. All right, look at that. Look at that. Listen, I'm looking at it like, okay, girl, you know, went off and did a little something. Now I think it's a little crooked. I think it might be a little crooked, but she alright. Okay, go ahead, Miss Genevieve. What's her name? Evangeline? Oh, I was naming a whole nother wig. My bad, y'all. Let me tap back into the video. Okay, let me give you guys that update, and I'll see you guys there in the wrap-up. Also, let's take a look at the tangling. So it does have a lot of tangling. I'll insert a clip of how it looked before I brushed it out. But there was some tangling for sure, and also quite a bit of shedding still from this wig, but overall I'm really happy with it. Now let's go try on the other one. Alright guys, this is what this one looks like, and obviously I think the other one looks better, but I think this still looks good. It just is gonna need a little something, and that's why it pays to take the time initially. And I'm really frustrated with myself because I know I could have did that and I didn't. Whatever. You live, you learn, and since this wig does cost so much, I want to make sure that I'm getting my money's worth, and I want you to get yours too. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comments, let me know in the comments section. If you're watching this video live, girl, I appreciate you hanging out with little old me, spend a little time with your girl. I don't know what else. Alright guys, let me go. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys for some Sunday. Bye guys. Oh, if you're new, make sure you subscribe if you haven't by now. I don't know what you're waiting for. Alright, check out more videos right here. I'll see you guys next time.